Here's my 3-part video framework that helped me 4x my online sales last year alone. That's right, this video is all about the best video marketing strategies. This framework has also helped my clients finally break through with their revenue ceilings and hit their first 7-figure milestone. It's the same formula that my students have used to increase their leads and sales, leading to their highest revenue months, effortlessly attracting ideal clients instead of chasing them down, and turning views into profits, making video their #1 sales driver. Plus, they've been able to scale their business faster while working smarter, not harder. It's called the MAP formula, the 3 critical steps to creating lucrative videos so you can increase your income and impact. Okay, so step 1 is the M in MAP, which stands for messaging. And this is the foundation of every successful video. If your message doesn't land, your video won't convert, no matter how great your camera or editing is. Here's what the right messaging strategy does for you. It draws your audience in because they instantly connect with your message. Plus, it builds trust quickly so your audience feels like they already know you. It turns viewers into buyers without needing to sell constantly as well. But the thing is, if you don't have the right messaging strategy, your videos will get lost in the noise. People won't take action, and your ideal customers don't see why they need you over anyone else. That's why step 1 is all about crafting your unique message so every video you create engages and converts your right audience. Okay, the A in MAP, step 2, is for artistry. And this is where you create high quality videos that match your high quality brand. But here's a secret, you don't need a fancy studio or expensive equipment to achieve this. Some of my videos, I literally just use my iPhone and a little microphone. With the right techniques, tools, and strategies, you can film and edit like a pro using just a simple setup. The key is creating videos that look and feel premium without overcomplicating the process. This is what happens when you prioritize artistry. Your brand instantly stands out because you no longer look like an amateur. People then take you more seriously and trust you faster, and your videos establish your credibility, positioning you as a true authority in your industry. But when you don't take artistry seriously, then your videos look unpolished, making people question your credibility. You lose their attention quickly because low-quality videos feel less engaging, and you get overlooked because even if your content is amazing, first impressions do matter. And the truth is, in a crowded online space, people judge your content before they even listen to it. That is why artistry matters. And here's the thing, I'm sure you've heard influencers tell you all the time, just push record. It doesn't matter what your video looks like. But the thing is, they've already built their credibility online. They have a huge audience. And when you're just starting out and just growing your business, you haven't yet. You haven't built your credibility yet. And so high quality videos build your credibility. Low quality videos do the complete opposite. It ruins it. That is why artistry is so important in the MAP framework. In my program called The Map to Lucrative Videos, I show you this simple pro-level technique that will elevate your video quality without the overwhelm. That way your brand feels premium, powerful, and profitable. Okay, the step 3 in MAP is the P, which stands for promotion. So after you've nailed your messaging and your artistry, it is now time for your videos to get seen by the right people, your ideal customers. Because even the best video in the world won't grow your business if no one sees it. And this is where promotion comes in. It strategically puts your videos in front of your ideal clients so they not only watch, but take action. With the right promotional strategies, your videos will reach the right audience, attracting buyers, not just followers. You'll increase engagement and visibility so the algorithm works in your favor. And you'll drive more sales because your content is actually getting seen. But without the right promotion, you'll get little to no views, leading to frustration and wasted effort. You'll struggle to get traction because you're relying on hope marketing, and you'll miss out on potential sales simply because the right people never saw your video. But here's the thing, when you promote your videos strategically, they become lead magnets that attract high quality clients, sales drivers that convert views into revenue, and evergreen assets that continue to work for you 24/7. Okay, so here's the thing. I want you to imagine, how would it feel to see your audience and leads grow exponentially, to boost your monthly revenue with consistent sales, and finally step off that content creation hamster wheel and let your videos work for you? Well, here's what my students have experienced by putting these very strategies into action.
This course really has elevated and transformed my business.
I used the sales video template letter that she gave us, almost word for word, and I got 8 sales just from one post on social media.
I teach Zoom cooking classes for children all the time now, and that's a new skill that I've learned through this great program.
Now I'm just so much more confident in front of the camera, which has actually helped me to be confident in front of large groups.
My husband said just yesterday, you need to keep working with Patricia. She has helped you more than anything else you've ever done.
So are you starting to realize what's been missing in your video strategy? I get it. Figuring out this whole video strategy thing can feel overwhelming. But here's the truth. In order to have a lucrative video, which is a video that increases your income and impact, you have to create that video with purpose, strategy, and clarity. Okay, so how do you create it the right way? Well, here's the good news. You don't need a guest. You don't need fancy tools or an expensive studio, and you don't need to waste hours on trial and error. All you need is a simple, proven framework, the same one I've shared with countless entrepreneurs who have used it to build their audience, attract leads, and make more sales. And here's the thing, when you create videos this way, you'll get credibility and authority in your industry standing out in a crowded marketplace. You'll get the exact tools to attract the right audience, those who are ready to buy from you. And you'll have videos that sell for you so you can spend more time with those you love. If that's what you're finally ready to experience, I am here and ready to support you. I created a step-by-step program so you can increase your income and impact with lucrative videos. It's called the Map to Lucrative Videos, your blueprint for creating videos that attract your ideal client, get more leads, and make more sales. Plus, you can even get monthly group coaching with me, monthly accountability activities, and so much more when you join the Plus version of the Map to Lucrative Videos. Okay, so here's what some of my students have experienced.
I am so thankful that I have been able to create a course using video to teach my clients. It will now free up my time so that I have more time with the clients and my family instead of teaching each week in real time.
Now I'm making quality videos for my membership group. I'm turning up on social media all the time with instant videos and recorded videos, which has increased my reach and my popularity and the engagement of people with my posts. Most importantly, doing Patricia's course has given me the confidence to script, film and edit a paid for set of videos for my mums of growing up sons followers.
and I've been able to provide so much value to them in a professional manner.
I would love to support you too. You can get all the details by clicking the link below this video. I can't wait to see you there.